So, one thing I didn't address is the very small scale of your motifs. And if you look up here, I've got my rulers up. So, your whole repeat unit is about 3 inches by 3 inches. So, all of those things are teeny tiny, which I think could be really cool. So, I'm not necessarily suggesting that you change it, but I want you to be aware of how tiny these are. If you do want to change it, I think that what would be good, um, when would I do this? I guess that once I committed to the arrangement of the major motifs, I think would be when I would opt to do it. And so if I go here, this is this copy of it. Let's say I'm committed. I love it. I'm not planning to change it. And by the way, there are ways to change it, which if you think back to lesson 1 with the melon head, you would know how to select things, move them, and keep them in the same layer. But anyway, so what you would do is highlight that layer and you would change it, convert to Smart Object. And I'm just going to hide these other things, is that when you convert it to a smart object, it becomes a vector file, so like an Illustrator file. Looks like there might be some other hidden things around here, but anyway. So when you want to enlarge it, you can do Command T, which is, Command T, what is that? To enlarge it. It looks like there's some stray bits and pieces around here, but this is how I'm holding Shift to keep everything in proportion, and then you would hit Enter. And you will not, I will have to find, you will not lose resolution when you do it that way. So when I zoom in here, I'm seeing what I'll call noise, and I suspect there's some noise out here. So if you look at what I've made, what is it? So now I've increased this to be about 5 inches. So just something to think about. I do want to say, though, about the only thing you can do when this is a smart object is you can't fill in, you can't use the lasso tool. All you can do is make it bigger, make it smaller. And so if you're finding, oh, actually I want to move this, you would have to go here and change and rasterize the layer. And then you could, let's say you wanted to fill something in. Oops, that didn't work out very well. Let's fill something in. You could, but you cannot do it when it is a smart object. So something to think about is scale. And I think that this small scale will make your work very unique. I'm maybe slightly worried that your lines might get clogged up. I think I would have to see it printed on a piece of paper to really understand real scale. Okay, that's it.